Okay, let's do an example on observing proteins in the sim, part one. It says launch the traits reproduction sim and then compare spiders with high, medium, and low silk flexibility. So you're going to find three different spiders. One has to have low, one medium, one high silk flexibility, and you're going to observe the protein molecules inside the spider cells and then record it on the data table. So I'm going to first make sure on the sim that where it says feature up here, um, right now I'm on none. I need to be on silk flexibility. So I'm going to click on that. And the first spider that I'm going to record information for is Greg. He has the trait of low silk flexibility. So I'm going to type on the, or write on the worksheet, Greg's name, and then the fact that he has low silk flexibility. I'm going to click on Greg, so click on the spider, and then I could see his cells, and then I could see all those proteins kind of moving around. And these proteins are the proteins that are created after cellular respiration happens and creates that energy inside the cell. Down at the bottom is a key, and it tells me which proteins are possible. Could have protein 1, 2, and 3, and you could see that protein 1 has the most connections. Protein 3 has the least connections. So Greg has protein 1. I'm going to go ahead and write that on my sheet that he has protein 1 and that it has 4 connections. So I'm kind of describing it, but I'm also going to draw it because I feel like that's helpful as well. That's all you need to do in the data table, but when you end up writing the question at the bottom, it says to look at the protein to trait example for silk flexibility. So that protein to trait example is right here, kind of underneath Greg. So when you click on this, you can kind of go through that example to help you with that bottom question. Okay, so next you're going to pick two more spiders, but one has to have medium flexibility and one has to have high flexibility.